Dear students, in our previous section, in our previous video, we have done the discussion about the human digestive system. Okay, so in this video, we have completed the discussion about the digestive system and the accessory organ, that is a helping organ. I told you all that two of the organ, that is liver and pancreas, we will discuss later. So in this video we are going to discuss about the liver and pancreas. Okay, so as we have already studied about the human digestive system, which is consisting of all these 7 organs, okay, which is given here, right? So alimentary canal, which is the main part of the human digestive system, because alimentary canal is responsible for the digestion. It starts with the mouth, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, which is divided into 3 parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Next to it is it is leading into large intestine, okay, which is further divided into 3 parts, that is cecum, colon and rectum. And finally the large intestine ends with the word anus. Okay, this much we have done the discussion in our last video. Okay, as I told you that the alimentary canal which start with mouth, which is also known as what, oral cavity. Here you can see the oral cavity, which is consisting of the 2 very important part, that is what, teeth and tongue. We have done the discussion about it, that the human being's teeth are heterodont, diphyodont and what, thecodont. And you are knowing now that why it is heterodont, why it is thecodont and diphyodont. Okay, so here I have just given the diagram to you to show that these teeth, okay, which are heterodont, it is of 4 types: incisor, canine, premolars and molars. Okay, along with this, the human teeth are what, diphyodont, because the human beings are getting teeth twice in their life, okay, which is known as milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, as you can see here, the human tongue is muscular organ which is attached posteriorly and free anteriorly. And this is written here, see, the hard palate and the soft palate. What is hard palate and soft palate? Okay, we are having the 2 cavities. All right, the one which is knowing as the nasal cavity, okay, which is having the opening of our nostril. All right, the another one is what, mouth. So this 2 opening, these 2 places, this 2 cavity, that is the what, nasal cavity and the oral cavity. This 2 cavity must be separate from each other. And to separate this 2 cavity, that is nasal cavity and what, oral cavity, there is a bony structure, okay, which is dividing this 2 compartment, 2 chamber, and that is known as what, hard palate, the bony structure. Okay, below the bony structure there is a soft one, the soft muscular structure, which is known as what, soft palate. So these 2 palates are responsible to what, separate the nasal cavity and oral cavity, nothing else. Okay, now the next to what, the oral cavity, which is leading into the next part, the next organ, that is known as what, pharynx. We have done the discussion about the pharynx also, as you can see in the diagram here. Pharynx is a small tube which is having the common opening for both what, windpipe and food pipe. Okay, is it clear from the diagram here, windpipe and food pipe? As you can see, it is given here pharynx. Okay, and this is the windpipe, just see by the arrow here. Okay, on the image the arrow is there. Okay, so this part is known as what, windpipe. This windpipe is well guarded by, right, this lead like structure which is known as epiglottis. Okay, we have done the discussion about the epiglottis in the classroom. Epiglottis is a small lead-like structure which is covering the windpipe, so that when we are eating the food will not enter this windpipe. Actually, it is preventing the entry of food in the windpipe. Okay, so this is about the what, pharynx, which we have seen. Now next to the pharynx, okay, the pharynx, next to the pharynx, it is leading into what, an elongated tube which is known as esophagus. These esophagus is then leading into, just see here in the diagram, that is what, stomach. Stomach is leading into what, duodenum, and then the what, small intestine, as you can see in the diagram, and then to the what, large intestine. I have given you the detailed structure, detailed knowledge about the alimentary canal, how to draw the alimentary canal. Okay, so here I just want to give you the digital information. Okay, how it looks in image, the colorful image. Okay, the digital information I'm giving you here. All right, so here it is a complete diagram of the what, alimentary canal. Now next, what we have to see, we have to move to the what, accessory organ, the helping organ. Okay, is it clear here the diagram? See, the accessory organ is given here: salivary gland, liver, and pancreas, which plays a very important role in the what? Digestion. Okay, how it is playing a very important role in digestion? Because digestion can't be complete without the help of enzymes. Okay, so we need the chemical which can digest the food, and this chemical is releasing by the what? These glands. I have given the detailed information about two types of gland: exocrine and endocrine. Okay, so here we need the help of what? Exocrine gland. So I have given this diagram also. That is about salivary gland. Salivary gland, that is, there are three pairs of salivary gland which is present in oral cavity. Okay, that here the see the name parotoid gland, which is present in the cheek region, which is 2 in number. Okay, sublingual gland below the tongue, all right, and then submandibular gland. These all are the salivary gland which secrete saliva in the oral cavity. Now the saliva mixes with the food, soften the food. Okay, and along with that it is also secreting salivary amylase. Okay, I have given the detailed diagram about the salivary gland. It is just the digital information about the word salivary gland. Okay, now the next is what we are having: the liver, which we have to go in detail, that what is liver and pancreas. You know, liver is a very important organ. If the liver will not be there in the alimentary canal, we will not able to digest our food. Okay, why? Because liver plays a very important role by secreting the what? Bile. This secretion part we will see in the next topic. Okay, that is how human digesting the what? Food. In that topic I will explain. But before that we have to go in detail about the structure of liver. Okay, so what is the structure of liver? For that we have to see this diagram here. Okay,